everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Google Play Music. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to play music on Google Play application, go tap open your Play Store or your App Store and search for Google Play Music and search. Download the application on your device and simply tap it open. Search for the music that you'd like to play in the search box and search. Once you find the songs in the search results, simply tap it on and you'll be able to play the song on your Google Play Music application. That is how you can download and play Google Play Music on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.